This is Evan from Decent Traders. I traded Twitter today and I had a bad day, but I made some very good moves that prevented extreme loss, so I think I did really well on that. So I made 3 trades today. So the first one over here, I took a long here, used half my position and then added another half because after this huge drop it bounced from the SMA, and I was very sure it would at least test the VWAP again, if not test the VWAP and eventually break it. So it worked out most of the time, and I did get a partial out of it, but then it just kind of slammed down from the VWAP, so this gave me the feeling that the VWAP was strong and the stock wasn't going to get through it. So I just got all out here, and this was mostly a break even. And then after it hit the VWAP right here, it closes below the VWAP. And then this is when I realized that it might as well just be a 5-minute breakdown. First of all, it went through a VWAP quite well, very strongly. And then I went in for a short right here because I'm very confident it will break through this SMA, just continue dropping. But the market makers, they were smart and they make the stock bounce up from the SMA. But instead of getting extremely squeezed right here, I was smart and I realized this. So then I just got out of here and just took the loss. And then my last trade here, I went in for a short because after this huge squeeze, it instantly got slammed back down through the VWAP. And the slam down was technical damage. I can see this huge red bar was clearly larger than this white squeeze over here. This gives me the feeling that it's just a newbie trap and it was just gonna break down anyway. So I go in for a short, and again it gets held up by the SMA. So I was actually very sure that SMA wasn't strong anymore, but either way the stock gets held up by the SMA, and once it reaches towards the VWAP, I end up adding over here at the VWAP. Just like an average move, but once I add and then this bar just closes at the VWAP, I instantly know it's gonna squeeze. I've seen this pattern a lot of times, and I instantly get out. And this was a very smart move. Even though this ended up being a doji, I don't think I could have survived this pullback. So overall, I didn't really have a winning trade, but I narrowed my losses down, so I didn't lose that much. Yeah, I think I did really well on that.